Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Eibach anti-roll kit. Basically it's a front and rear Swaybar for a 2002 Subaru WRX. It is also the rear end links, or they're supposed to be in here. The box is closed up by 4 staples. There's one here and one here. I'm going to pop the other 2 out. Came packaged pretty well. Been here for a few days. Sway bars are a little darker red than what they show on the pictures on the internet. And we've got some bushings. A hardware kit. And it looks like some nice stickers and maybe some instructions. And the rest of the box appears to be empty. Little pieces of the box in it. Part of the hardware, we have some bushings to go through. There's new rear end links. And the bushings that fell out when I took them out of the bag. When we ordered this kit from Rally Sport Direct, there were no available front Swaybar end links, so we had to order those separately. And the bushings and some bolts for that. And all we have here are 2 bushings. Hopefully, on the next video, I'll either be installing these or the Ultimo coilovers in my fiance's Subaru WRX. Stay tuned.